In this second part, I'm going to walk you through how to use your literary work as a source in your essay. What I first want you to do is go back and review your working thesis statement that I had you create in last week's class session. So if you remember, I had you either create a thesis based on theme or a thesis based on technique. So once you've identified your thesis, remember I had you outline 3 areas in the text where you would see this element, either the theme or a certain technique or aspect of the writing in focus. So for this thesis, this sample thesis here, this was based on theme. You can see that the 3 things I outline are then going to equal kind of the 3 main parts of the body of my paper. Now I'm using a 5-paragraph outline for my paper, but like I'm always saying, you can have more than 1 paragraph for the different sections if you need. But I do want you to see how this essay is outlined. So what you're going to do now is review your story, likely you'll reread it, and find specific places in the text that can help you support each of these. Think about looking for phrases, words, even sentences or pieces of dialogue to support each of your 3 supporting points in your thesis. Now, to help you with this, you can view these question checklists in our textbook in Chapter 7 on page 223. This is for the short story here, which is what most of you will be doing. And these questions revolve around like the narrator, point of view, setting, plot, characters, etc. And answering these questions can help you maybe identify areas of the story that you can use to support your thesis. If you're doing a poem, there's a similar checklist on page 224, just right after this one. So what I would like you to do is in the worksheet, answer 3 of these questions. And you can choose any 3, whichever 3 you think relate the most to your thesis. Choose those and answer those in the worksheet. And when you're done, come back.